Hey guys, it's DBB Airsoft, Gas Blowback Airsoft, doing a review of the bike, even though it's awesome. I know, got it for Christmas. We're doing a review of the AK-47 Echo-1 full-size edition with a SRC armament suppressor. And this one is rare, I just want to say this, if you don't mind, Connor, because the battery is usually up here, right? In here. Better weight distribution. Fit a bigger battery, as you can see. And I didn't custom make that either, that was like that. Alright, cool. So let's get a firing test against that bag. It's dark outside.
You ready?
And go. Alright, stop. Now we'll do some RPS fire. Here, I'll do this one.
Yeah, you can shoot it down. So now he's gonna shoot from a fully automatic.
That is the Echo-1 AK-47. That's kind of for 3 years, is it? For 3 years, and it's never broken or had anything wrong with it. Thank you. Airsoft out.